Hello everyone, this is Animal Group Names Test. I just did a video on these animal group names, so if you want to right now, you can do a quick review and then come back, or you can try to do the test right now. So, are you ready? All right, here we go. Number 1. And the answer is, this is a clutter or a clouder or a pounce of cats. All right, number 2. And the answer is, this is a band of gorillas. All right, number 3. And the answer is, this is a troop or a mob of kangaroos. Number 4. And the answer is, this is a school of fish. Number 5. And the answer is, this is a pod of dolphins. Okay, number 6. And the answer is, this is a murder of crows. Okay, number 7. And the answer is, this is an army or a colony of ants. Okay, number 8. And the answer is, this is a pride of lions. Okay, number 9. And the answer is, this is a herd of elephants. All right, number 10. And the answer is, this is a colony or a cloud or a camp or a cauldron of bats. Okay, number 11. And the answer is, this is a team of horses. Okay, number 12. And the answer is, this is a flock of geese. All right, number 13. And the answer is, this is a pack of wolves. Okay, number 14. And the answer is, this is a flock of sheep. Okay, number 15. And the answer is, this is a nest of turtles. And now the final question, number 16. And the answer is, this is a troop or a barrel or a carload of monkeys. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Nice work. And remember what I always say, keep practicing. See you next time.